What's going on, guys? It's Mimic Trades here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about day trading meme stocks. So today I decided to try and day trade SNDL, Sundial Growers. Now this isn't the biggest meme stock out there, but I would group it with all of those other stocks that are also getting pumped from Wall Street bets like GameStop, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry. Another one of those penny stocks that's getting pumped with them is Naked. But anyways, today I was looking at the SNDL chart and I saw an opportunity, so I decided to buy in. So we're going to talk about why I bought this, and this is the 1 minute chart, and you can see it's up to the point where I bought. So this is all the knowledge I had coming into this. It was up about 20% on the day to start, and I saw what I was looking at mostly was the 3 minute chart, and let me pull this out real quick. And basically, this 3 minute chart, from what I was looking at, the MACD was just ready to explode. So the MACD is an indicator that tells you the momentum of the stock. And so usually when the negative momentum is weaning off and this blue line is getting closer to the yellow, that means it's about to go up in price. It can also get rejected though and continue this downward trend. But in this case, I saw a couple green candles beforehand, and I was thinking, okay, there is a decent chance for it to go up here. There has been some positive buy volume, and so I got a position at around $1.38, I believe. I bought options for this. So I bought call options that expired June 4th, 2021. I bought the $1 call options. So I bought it at 0.38 for each option. I think I bought like 10 of them or something. And as you can see, at first this trade was going really well. We're actually gonna go back to the 1 minute real quick. Spoiler alert. Anyways, I didn't know that was coming. You're not supposed to either. Anyways, so this vertical line is where I bought at 138. And from there, it started going up. There's a lot of green candles on the 1 minute. I was liking how it was looking. A lot of good buy volume coming in. MACD was looking solid. And so it comes all the way up to $1.49. And my plan was to day trade this. My plan was to just get in and out quick and just make some quick profits, because especially with options, this wouldn't have been that big of an increase in terms of just buying the stock. But with call options, especially the ones expiring this week, it was actually a pretty large increase. I was up about 29% in 20 minutes. You can see this is at 1457 to 1516, right? So 19 minutes here. I was up 29%, right? And so I should have sold here, but I didn't. And I didn't because now if we go look at this from a really long time period, this is the Fibonacci retracement that I've drawn. I drew it from the top down to the local bottom. And so you can see that if we go back to the 1 minute, this red line is a big resistance level, right? And so we tested it here in the morning and it failed to break through, right? And so then when we tested it again this second time, and we actually got some really good buy volume coming in and some positive momentum upwards, I figured, okay, maybe we can actually break out here. Maybe we can go to $1.70, $1.90, right? I think the next level here is $1.90-ish. Yeah, $1.92. So, maybe we could have gone up into that level, right? And I figured typically in non-meme stocks, if this was just a regular stock with probably a little less volume, because I think this thing had, 893 million volume today, which is just absurd. But if it was just a regular stock, my guess would have been that it would have if anything, if it didn't like settle off here and go sideways for a little bit and then keep pushing up, my guess would have been that it would come back to this red line, retest it, maybe even drop below, and maybe retest this 140 resistance. If it dropped below that, I figured that it would test this 136 resistance and then probably continue up, at the worst case. And I figured I was fine with holding it till then, because that would be what, a 2 cent loss per share. That's a $20 loss. What do I care? A very small amount. So I was fine with that. But what ended up happening, and what can happen with these highly volatile stocks like GameStop, AMC, everything that's a meme stock, is flash crashes, right? And that is exactly what happened. The one thing that I really messed up on here was I didn't put a stop loss. I should have had a stop loss at 136, right? At 36 cents, take the $20 loss, just get out, right? But I didn't put a stop loss, and it just crashed really hard. So it crashed from 149 to 132 in the span of 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So that was really quick. And at that point, seeing these huge red candles, these are called engulfing red candles. This is really bad. This is not good for day traders. This means that most likely it'll be done for the day, because all the day traders will have gotten out due to this huge negative momentum, right? And so then after that, I knew that I just wanted to exit, unless it could hold this line, but it didn't, right? So I drew this trend line, and it ended up breaking this trend line. So I drew a second trend line, which actually looks a lot better on like the 3 minute, where it was gaining some resistance. I think it was more like that. But it just completely fell through that again. And so then I ended up getting out at around 132 here when it came back up. And, I could have gotten out here. I could have stuck to my rules. I could have, just been in this for 20 minutes, made a 29% profit, and gotten out quick. But instead, I had that hope. I had the hope that, okay, we're going to break out to all new highs. Even if we do retest this 143, or at the worst, this 136, we're going to break out to all new highs. And, that is the kind of hope that these meme stocks give you, because they can go up so fast. They can increase 10% in 5 minutes. And it gives you that hope of, oh, we can do another 10%, right? But that hope is fake. It's possible, but it's not. These flash crashes are the risk that you're taking by holding these meme stocks, right? And so it's okay to sprinkle these trades into your trading strategy. Trade with a small amount, less than like 5% of your overall capital, and just throw it in, have some fun. But, be prepared to get out fast. And if a flash crash does happen and you're stuck holding, you have to cut your losses at some point, right? And so you don't want to make these kind of trades the majority of your trading, because, yeah, they can go really well, right? They can go up really fast, really well, but they can also go down even faster, right? And so that's just the risk that you're taking. And this is why overall, you should not trade meme stocks. Do not day trade them. Do not hold them for long periods of time, especially. But yeah, these flash crashes, they remind me of Bitcoin, right? But Bitcoin is way different. Bitcoin is a long-term hold. That's a long-term play, because Bitcoin, it could 10x in 4 years or 3 years, right? I don't think anyone, there's a statistic that like no one has ever lost money holding Bitcoin for more than 4 years, because of the cyclical nature of its market cycles. It explodes every 4 years. So Bitcoin's way different. It has these potential insane gains, right? These potential 10x gains. And it also has these insane flash crashes, but it's different in the fact that it's a long-term play. You're not day trading it. You're holding it for the long term, right? And day trading something that is this volatile it's scary, quite frankly, because this can happen where it just crashes and then you're down 20% in a matter of 3 minutes, right? And so, yeah, this is why you should not day trade meme stocks. And if you do, day trade it with a very small amount of your account, and be prepared to get out quick. Always have a stop loss. That is rule number one. Always have a stop loss. And today, I did not listen to that rule. So that's why I ended up losing money on this trade. I exited with a 30% loss. And so this is exactly what not to do, right? If you guys want to follow my channel right here, Mimic Trades, I have other videos on what to do, right? We got a video about day trading stocks, 442% profit, right? But this video is about what not to do. All right, well, I hope you guys learned a lot from this, and see you guys later.